name is Jen and I'm a trainer here at Mystic Aquarium, and today we're going to talk about northern fur seal vocalizations. So in order for a male northern fur seal to find a mate and defend his territory, he sometimes will emit a low, growling noise which can be heard for long distances. There's been studies done in the wild of northern fur seal vocalizations between mothers and pups that during breeding seasons, amongst different breeding seasons, and across many different breeding seasons, mothers and pups are able to identify each other based upon their vocalizations. This is the largest vocalization study done amongst individual species in the wild. Thanks for taking the time to learn about northern fur seal vocalizations today. We hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel and see more videos like this.